Hey guys, so it's Miss Nieto and we are doing our phonics. And so on Tuesday we talked about homographs. And homographs are words with the same spelling but different meaning. Okay, so they're spelled the same, but the words mean something different. The pronunciation may or may not be different. So for instance, we had last week or Tuesday we had the word bow. So they are spelled the same, but this word is pronounced differently. We have bow that goes in your hair, and we have bow, like you're going to bow to someone. Okay? And then you had the word duck. This one was spelled the same, and it was pronounced the same, but you have duck like the animal or duck like something is going to hit you. Okay, so sometimes they are pronounced differently, but the main thing is, guys, they are spelled the same, but they have different meanings. So I have some words that we're going to look at, or some pictures actually. They have the same word spelled exactly the same, but they mean something different. So for instance, this picture is an orange, okay? So we have the word orange. It could mean the fruit, or it could mean the color orange. So you have orange as in the fruit, or orange as the color orange. Okay. We have light, like in light, like we see, we need light to see. And then we have light as in how heavy something is. So like a feather is light. Okay. We have fly as in what objects do in the sky. So like a bird flies and airplanes fly. You can fly a kite. And then we have fly like the insect. We have fly like the plane and fly like the insect. And then we have tie, like what I would do, like if I wanted to grab a rope or a piece of ribbon and tie something. So we have tie as you're tying something. So this little person is tied up. Or we have tie as in what maybe your dad or grandpa or uncle wears around their neck when they get dressed up to go to church or a wedding, or maybe to work they wear a tie. Okay. So if you notice that all these words have the same word, they're spelled the same, they sound the same, it's just they have different meanings. So orange can mean the fruit orange or the color orange. Light can mean like the light that either comes from a light bulb or the sky. Light can also mean how heavy something is. So a feather is light, how much it weighs. Tie means like you're going to tie something together, or it can mean the tie that you wear. And then fly, it can mean the insect, or it can mean when something's in the sky moving, like it flies. Okay, so today what you're going to do, so for today you're going to need the handout that looks like this. It says Phonics Thursday, and it's numbered 1 through 10. Hold on just one moment. Okay. So you have numbered 1 to 10. So you're going to use these words, orange, light, tie, fly. And then I want you to pick another word that has two meanings. And you're going to write 2 sentences. So like for each word. So for orange, I'm going to use orange like the fruit in a sentence. And I'm going to use orange like the color orange in a sentence. Same thing for tie. I'm going to write a sentence where I use the word tie, like in the tie that I wear, and then a sentence with the word tie, like when you tie something. Same thing for fly. I'm going to write one sentence where I'm talking about the insect fly and one sentence where I'm talking about either a bird that flies or an airplane. Same thing for light. I'm going to write a sentence about light as in how it weighs, or light as in the light that I use to see, like light that comes from a light bulb or light that comes from the sky or the sun. And then you're going to pick one more word that has two meanings. So there's lots of words, guys, that have two meanings, and I want you to write two sentences, one sentence for each of the meanings. Okay, so I'm going to put this anchor chart on your assignment so you know which words. So if you have 5 words, and remember, so you have 5 words, you're going to pick the 5th word. You're going to have 2 sentences for each of those words because that one word has 2 meanings. All right, guys, I can't wait to see your sentences.